How to fix Roblox website is not loading or not working properly on your computer. So the first thing you'll need to do is to click on the three vertical dots here, go to Settings, and then go to Privacy and Security, and then click on Delete Browsing Data. And then you want to make sure to select All Time and check Cookies and Other Site Data, Cached Images and Files, and then Site Settings, and then click on Delete Data and wait for it to delete everything. Next, you should try to load the Roblox website again and see if that solves the problem. And if it still doesn't solve the problem, you want to go to the Security tab and then scroll down and enable Use Secure DNS if it's not already enabled. And then you can select Google Public DNS. Next, you want to right click on your network adapter here, open network adapter, and then click on change adapter options, and then right click on your main network adapter, go to the properties, and then go to the IPv4, which is this one, double click on it, and set the DNS from obtain automatically to use the following DNS, and then enter 8.8.8.8, and then for the second one 8.8.4.4, and press OK. Then press OK again and wait for it to update. And then you can close out of this window. Now in the Roblox website, click on this button here, and then click on Site Settings, and then click on Reset Permissions, and then click on Delete Data. Now if you go back here, you should see a reload button. You can click on it. Otherwise, you can close the tab and open up a new tab and go to Roblox. And once you reload the website, that should fix the issue. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.